Hi everyone, it's Ibrahim, Community Manager at the LifeDAO, and welcome to this demo on the LifeDAO platform. So what we are building is a community-owned NoBank. The idea is simple. You still get everything you expect from a bank, but you stay in control of your money. There is no institution holding your funds, no middleman making decisions for you, and no interest-based system. So you can save, spend, invest, and protect your wealth, but without giving up control to a bank. Once you become a member, you'll have access to your dashboard. First off, you have your Life Wallet, which is a non-custodial wallet in which you can store your crypto, you can receive and send funds freely. If you don't have crypto yet, you can simply click on Top Up Life Wallet and use one of our external partners to make the conversion from fiat money, whether it's dollars, euros, or other currencies, directly to USDC or USDT. Once you add funds on your wallet, make sure to complete your KYC and you can start exploring your different advantages. First of all, you have the Life Card, which is a crypto Visa card. So you can spend your crypto like cash, paying for everyday expenses, groceries, shopping online, just like a normal card. To start using the card, simply click on Add Funds and you will be able to top up your card directly from your wallet. Once you top up your card, make sure to add it on Apple Pay or Google Pay to start using it. You can also explore the different options you have here, show details, show PIN, freeze the card, and explore the different controls settings. So let's go back to the dashboard and explore the other advantages. So here you have the Saving Vault, which acts as an alternative to a traditional saving account. So you can deposit and withdraw anytime while earning a return going from 3 to 6% a year without relying on an interest-based banking structure. So let's go ahead and deposit some funds into the Saving Vault. Simply click on Deposit. Here you'll be able to choose the amount you want to deposit, click on I agree, and deposit to savings. And as you can see, the amount is now on my Saving Vault and generating yield. If you want to withdraw the amount, simply click on Withdraw, the amount you want to withdraw, and simply send it back to your wallet. And if you want to learn more on how the Saving Vault works, simply click on Learn More about Yield and Risk, and you will be able to find all the details. So let's now go back to the dashboard. Now, directly from your dashboard, you will be able to join our community hub. It's where you will learn, connect, and grow with the community. So whether you're new or more experienced, you can get access to education on crypto, financial literacy, and weekly webinars, and also a network of like-minded people. You can also start inviting your friends to the LifeDAO. Simply click on Start Inviting and you will be able to find your invite code, send it to your friends, and once they join, you'll get a reward. Let's go back to the dashboard, and the last step will be to activate your life protection benefit if you are eligible. And that's it for the quick demo video on the LifeDAO platform. Please let us know if you have any questions, and if you want more details, don't hesitate to join our weekly presentation call. Thank you, everyone.